everyone, welcome to Adharshila coding classes. Today, we are going to make a cat say hello. First, we have to go to looks block. Go to looks block palette and drag say hello for 2 seconds block. This is a script area where we are keeping this block. Double click on the block and see what happens. Now let's make this talking cat program. We are making the program where the cat will say a few more things. I'm going to drag say hello for 2 seconds, block in the script area again for 2 more times. Now I'm going to change the text as my name is Ben, and then I'm writing I can run fast. Now, if I click on any of the sentence, I will be able to notice each of the sentence is coming on my screen for 2 seconds. Interlock the blocks together, double click and see what happens. As you can notice, a bunch of blocks together, they are forming a script and the sprite is able to repeat that script. The sprite is saying hello, my name is Ben, I can run fast. The computer needs script to tell it exactly what to do. The computer starts at the top of a script and runs each block in the order that they appear. Now, if you want that the sprite should be speaking these sentences forever, we have to take a block which is forever block. For this, we go to control and drag out forever block. Wrap it around the speech blocks and double click to see what is happening. The forever block is also known as loop in the computer program. A loop repeats itself over and over again. When the last block in the loop is finished, the loop again goes back to the top and runs the first block again. Loops are used in a lot of computer programming because computers are machines and they are very good at repeating things. Now, till this point, we have completed how to make the cat say something. Next thing we are going to do is we are going to make the cat walk. For this, we will be going to the costume section. And you can see there are 2 costumes available. Each costume, if I click, I can see the cat has different costumes or different postures. If I click on each costume, I can see the cat is moving. Now I'll go back to the code section. Go to the look section. Drag switch costume 2 times because we are having 2 costumes. Make costume 1 and costume 2. Play them by clicking on each of them one by one. Do you think the cat is moving? Well, it's not moving right now. But how can we get the computer to move the cat's leg? For this, we have to put switch to costume block inside a forever loop. Again, go to control section, drag a forever loop and fix it here. Click on the blocks to run them again. You will know they are running when you see highlight around the block. But why the cat is not moving well? What is the computer doing? What do you need to make the computer do the things which we wanted to do? Well, in this case, we can add a wait block. I'll go to the control section and I'll attach a wait block. The wait statement allows time to see costume before they are switched. So I can see the costume is changing. The cat's walk has improved, but it's not perfect. So what else do we need to do to make it work well? we have to add one more wait block. Now can you see the cat is moving perfectly fine? Now as we can see, the cat has learned how to speak, and now we have seen how the cat is moving. But if I want to move this cat across the stage with each step, how we can do that? For this, I have to go to motion section, drag a block, move 10 steps, and attach it before wait block. Now let's observe what is happening. The cat is moving and it's going in the right direction. But how can we make this cat run faster? Well, for that we have two ways available. One, we can decrease the weight between the steps, and second, we can increase the step size. So I'll be doing it one by one. First, I will drag the cat again towards the left of the screen. I'll decrease the time wait. I'm keeping it as 0.5 seconds. And let's observe what is happening. As you can notice, the speed has improved, but we want it to improve a little more. I'm going to increase the number of steps. I'm making it 25. And now let's observe it again. As you may notice, the sprite is moving a little more faster as compared to the other version we were able to see. Now I want our talking and walking scripts to start up at the same time. To do this, use event saying when flag clicked. We call this block as hat block, and we will be attaching it in all the scripts. So we have right now two scripts available. I'll be attaching it in both of them. It says when green flag clicked. So every time you click the flag, the scripts will start running. I'll click the green flag, and you can see it is walking as well as it is talking. But if you have noticed, as soon as the cat will reach to the edge, it will stuck over there, right? It's stuck. It's not doing anything. We have to drag the cat back again, and then we can walk. We can see how it's walking again. One way of making it work is we can insert a block named as if on edge bounce. For this, I'll again go to motion section, and here I can find this block if on edge bounce. I'll attach this block over here, and let's see what is happening. Oops, do you notice this? The cat is walking upside down, and the angle which you can see here is minus 90 degrees. Well, we have to fix it. One way of doing is you can rotate it like this and keep it 90. And you can select the style as left right. So let's see again what will happen if I click on the green flag. My sprite is moving. As soon as it reaches to the edge, it bounces back, and again it's going towards the edge. And the same thing is happening again and again. Now last thing which is left here is to add a background. I'm going to select the backdrop from the library. In this case, I'm going to select something from outdoors. And let me search few items here. Okay, I like the woods option, so I'm going to take this one. Let's do it again. Okay, the project is working perfectly fine. Congratulations! You have done a lot in this first session. We have created our Hello project. We have created a walking and talking cat using loops and code blocks. We have added a background to make it as a story. Now we can save the project, make the name as Walk and Talk or Walking and Talking. Save it. I hope you enjoyed the session. We'll see you soon. Till then, bye-bye.